Trails Farm. We're out here today planting a willow tree and an apple tree. We had a lot of other things planned for today, but we finally got the caravan back, and it was a big to-do getting it back. There was not enough people, blah blah blah. Anyway, so we didn't get a late start out here till like 11. So we're here, so we're going to plant this willow tree, plant the baby apple tree, and that's probably it for the day, and then turn around and go right back home. We have had a really freak cold spell. It is like 50 degrees outside, and after having a couple of weeks of high 70s, it seems like we're back, like should be buying a turkey for Thanksgiving here. So we're going to get that done, and that's probably all we're going to have time for today. It's just between the caravan mess and everything else, we just got to get this willow tree. It's getting root bound in the pot, and we need to get it in the ground. We couldn't bring it last week because we couldn't fit it in the car, so we had to wait till we got the van back, and it really needs to get in the ground. So we're going to get that done today, and that's probably all we're going to do. It's just been a long week, and we just really need to get that tree in the ground. So